Good morning, student. Today and tomorrow we will be seeing first chapter revision from the beginning. Notes have been circulated yesterday for 2 marks possible questions. You can write or take printout, okay? And today I will be sending you your 5 marks question. First 3 questions I will send you. Tomorrow 3 questions I will send you. So you can take everything, print out and keep it with you, not a problem at all, because what you have written in your notes, okay, till the classes explanation, same thing has been given in the form of question answer, where I've been formed the questions for that one. Now your first chapter, introduction to statistics and some basic concept we have been seeing. First, we have seen father of statistics, that is Ronaldo A. Fisher was the father of statistics. Then introduction of statistics we see, where statistics have been used in what form, okay, why we will study, what is the decision we can make on that, okay, what problems can we solve from the statistics, okay. That was a basic introduction on your statistics. Statistic means in simple word collection, analysis, interpretation of data and making the decisions. Related to that was your introduction. Next we saw origin of statistics, where this one will be asked for 5 marks, okay. Write a detailed origin of statistics, where we need to write the from where statistics have been formed, okay. In olden days, where was statistics have been used, then from where the word statistics have been derived, that is from Italian word status, or the Latin word, that is status, or Italian word statista, or the German word statistic, or the French word status quiz. So these were the words where it has been derived, the statistics. So detailed origin, this answer may be asked for 4 marks in 4 marks or 5 marks question. So I have given this one also in your notes for today. Next we saw development of statistics, how statistics have been developed by the philosopher and scholars, and where and all it has been used in problem solving, okay, and analysis, that is physical, social science, commerce, economics. These are the possible ways or possible areas where we can solve the statistics and develop the statistics. And even in the ancient time, Prasanathan Chandra Mahabolis was the father of Indian statistics, where he was initiated and he was using the statistics, and then father of the statistic is Fisher, as we know that one development. Next, definition of a statistic we saw, that is in different meanings, that is numerical statistics. Then statistical method we saw, what is the method and how statistics has been used, that is collection, presentation, analysis, interpretation, and then we will be using for the final decision making. Then statistic in plural sense. What is statistics in plural sense? The aggregate of fact affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of cases. Okay, and where in singular plural, where we've been taking ratio analysis, okay, all those things we have been seen. Next, sense in singular sense, it is collection, classification, tabulation of numerical fact, where we collect the data in the numerical form, we put it in a table. So all this explanation we have been seen. Next, definition of statistic, it has been defined: collection, representation, analysis and interpretation of data. As in the table how I have been shown you, we collect the data, okay, we analyze the data, then we represent the data in a neat form, then we interpret the data, then we take the final decision. Statistics is full of numbers and numerical data, there will not be a theoretical form. Next, we saw characteristics of statistics, that is statistics are aggregate of fact, okay, it should be on the aggregate what is truth, okay, that should be the example what we are taking, even that should be in the present true form. Then statistics are affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes, okay, where in the effect, okay, the effect of supply demand, import export, okay, all these things, the changes, okay, how it may be taking, that way we saw in multiplicity. The effect of statistics depends on the changes what it takes place. Next, statistics are numerical expressed. So basically all your statistics, data analysis, everything is in the form of numerical, that is qualitative, not on your quantitative. So it is qualitative, not on your quantitative. Quantitative where it represents the quality of something. Quantitative where it represents the measurement of something. Then statistics are enumerated or estimated according to the reasonable standard of accuracy. So what is the data in that year? We take reasonable and accuracy, not the false collection, not on the assumption. May or may not be, that assumption will not be there, it should be there, that one where we have been taking the information on that basis. If it is today 100, we'll take 100. We cannot tell it may be 200, okay. False or random sampling will not be taken place. Then statistics are collected in a systematic manner. Yeah, from the data collection to the analysis and interpretation, it will be in a systematic uniform way where it goes simultaneously, one after other. Then statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. Predetermined purpose is where I need to estimate my future, what will be my future, okay, where I need to have the conclusion for my future. Then statistics should be placed in a relation to each other. So comparison with one with the other, it should be related. For example, height of a man between 10, I can compare because it is an homogeneous. I cannot compare height of a tree and height of a man, where that will not be an relation, placed in a relation to each other. Next, we saw functions of statistics. What are the functions, okay, where and all we can use the statistics, that one we saw. The first one was it represents the fact in a defined form. Yeah, if I collect 10 data, 10 data will be having the exact information what I have been collected. Then it simplifies and condense the size of the data, okay, where I data what I have given, where I will be representing in numerical form, I will not be having complex, okay, I will not be having complex in seeing the data, analyzing data and comparing the data. Next, it facilitates comparison, okay, where comparison with one with the other one, it is easier. With the numerical form, I can compare 1 year's data with the other year data. It enriches our knowledge and wideness our experience. So data what we collect day by day, the information what we get day by day, it gives us wider experience on the data what we are collecting, and the method what we are using will be having knowledge. Yeah, next, your fifth point, it helps in formulating policy. So the data what I have with me, if I need to change anything, I can change formulation or demonetization. Why we have got why Modi has done demonetization? To reduce the corruption and supply of money. So he had one analysis of data in his hand. With that, he has been formulated, okay, he has been formulating policies. So everything what government has been changing day to day or basic things, okay, let it be from small to big, everything is on the data analysis and representation. Your sixth point, it helps in business forecasting. So statistics helps the businessman to forecast where he is leading his business, whether he is making loss or whether he is making profit, or what he need to do for his business upgrading. Then it helps in forming the testers by hypothesis. So testers have been done where I need to test whether my analysis is true or false, may or may not, possible is there or what. So due to testers we will analyze that one. So tomorrow's class revision will be seeing statistics, limitations of statistics. So once again I will revise. From Monday we will start a new chapter, that is from a second chapter I will be starting. Thank you students.